Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald Harris, founder and creator of the House Flipping Guide YouTube channel, also the creator of the House Flipping Family Facebook group. I want to come on here real fast and show you all an example of a motivated seller list. So what I have here is I have the Propstream website open. This is the back office of Propstream. And as you can see here up top, we have the high equity list, vacant lists, liens, also some cash buyers, foreclosures, auctions, pre-foreclosures, and the MLS. And so really quickly, I wanted to go ahead and pull up properties that were essentially in pre-foreclosure, and I'm in Los Angeles County. This is an example of LA County. Properties that were in pre-foreclosure, meaning properties that have a notice of default that are against them. What I'm going to do is pull up properties that actually have highly motivated sellers. So even though pre-foreclosures are highly motivated, I'm going to see if any of these individuals also have a tax lien against it. And I'm going to explain why. So out of the little over 1,000 people that had pre-foreclosures pending against their properties in the Los Angeles area, 86 didn't just have, are not just in pre-foreclosure, they also have a tax lien against them. So I want to use this as an example. So when you're targeting lots of times these motivated sellers, what you want to do is look for properties with multiple problems. Everybody is targeting, there's a ton of people targeting pre-foreclosures right now in LA County or even Los Angeles, right? That is a hot list. And you have agents marketing that list, you have investors marketing that list, you have attorneys marketing that, everybody's marketing that list. However, when you have the pre-foreclosure that also has a tax lien, fewer people are marketing those lists. I say that to say, take that same concept and utilize that in your area throughout the United States. Find properties that have multiple issues. Let's do another one. Let's say these properties that are in pre-foreclosure also have, actually, let's untick tax lien and let's put a check mark beside mechanics lien. So the properties in the Los Angeles area that are in pre-foreclosure, there's 14 of them that also have a mechanics lien against it. Now, every property is going through something different, as you can see. Order of dismissal, cancellation of release, notice of lis pendis, notice of default, notice of default, notice of default. When you all are targeting lists that have multiple issues against them, right? So let's say, for instance, we went ahead and we targeted properties that were not just in pre-foreclosure, they also had a mechanics lien and an HOA lien. 17. Notice of default, mechanics lien, and an HOA lien. 17 properties. You guys can probably see the screen right about now. You guys better find a way to contact these people. And you can buy these properties differently. Some of you, it may be a situation where you can turn around and wholesale the property, right? Some of you can go ahead and use creative real estate investing techniques, right? If the property has a tremendous amount of equity within it. Some of these people may be open to a subject to, right? Some of these people may be open to different techniques that will allow you to create these situations where, and I need to say this, You don't need equity to make money in real estate. Once again, you don't need equity to make money with real estate. I wanted to pull these examples up because it's interesting. I mean, think about the number of people that are targeting people in pre-foreclosure in LA County. There are fewer and fewer people targeting people that have multiple issues against the property. So let's say for properties that are in pre-foreclosure, let's go ahead and let's remove the pre-foreclosure, right? Let's say that those properties are vacant. So you got vacant properties that have a mechanics lien as well as an HOA lien, 17. Now, remember the previous number was excuse me, this number is 18. The previous number was 17. So there's one property within that last one, because if this one has 18 and the other has 17, all of those properties, with the exception of one, was also in pre-foreclosure. Guys, if you target these little small niche unique lists that nobody else is targeting, I'm gonna just leave it at that, guys. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna tell you this. I told my group this. Propstream has a 7-day free trial. Everybody asks, how much is Propstream? How much is it's a 7-day free trial. Download your list in that 7 days if you choose to. It is a phenomenal tool. I can pull up land. I can pull up houses. Watch this. Now, Propstream has it to where, look at property characteristics. Watch this drop down, if you guys can see that. Oh, it doesn't have it because it has it here in Atlanta. Residential, commercial. Oh, it does. Residential, commercial, office, industrial, agricultural, recreational, transportation. There's, in the Atlanta, maybe it will be rolled out with property characteristics. They have it broken down where it says 5 units and up. So in some of your areas throughout the United States, it may be a little different within your back office. It is a beautiful tool, guys, because you can pull up so many different properties. Like, for instance, I can pull up, let's say I didn't want to go. Let's say my property characteristic, let's say I just wanted to target condos and townhomes that had mechanics liens and tax liens. It's beautiful. It's a phenomenal tool that I don't think anyone will ever master. Let's say vacant properties. Let's remove the lien status off of both of those. Let me see if anything in LA County has a utility lien. How many of you all are targeting utility? There's nothing there. I don't know what other liens would be, guys. Let's say I don't want to target divorce files. Let me see. Occupied. Oh, here's a good one. Let's say I went ahead and I targeted people that did not live here, live in the state, or live in California. Let's go ahead and go with absentee, out of state. Boom. Now, here's the condos that are out of state. Let's do this once again. Let's say condos that have HOA liens that live out of state. Okay, there's none of them. What about tax liens? Okay, none. What about condos or townhomes that are in some type of pre-foreclosure that live out of state? Huh. You know what? Maybe I shouldn't put this in public information. But this is just an example of lists that you all can pull. I will say this. If you all target multiple lists, multiple motivations, in other words, stacking issues. So let's say, for instance, you have a property that is in pre-foreclosure and it has a tax lien or it has a mechanics lien. It has two problems against the property. That's motivation. If it's vacant, that's another level of motivation. You guys check Propstream out. It's a beautiful thing. I'm going to have a 7-day free trial link in the description, guys. A 7-day free trial link in the description. So to answer you all's question, how much does Propstream cost? It is free for 7 days. Get you some Propstream, guys. Go get Propstream. Anyways, guys, you all take care. Have a good one.